Can you actually 3D print a functional skateboard? And by functional, I don't mean something that rolls across the driveway once. I wanted to take it to the skate park, drop into a half pipe, and maybe even try a kickflip. So I printed 4 different skateboards to find out. The first 2 tests failed, and during the 3rd test, something broke, but it wasn't the skateboard. Before designing anything myself, I checked printables, Thingiverse, and MakerWorld to see if somebody had already made one. And I found one. Penny style board that printed in 4 separate sections. Not ideal, but it gave me a good place to start. For the first test, I used PLA. I knew PLA probably wasn't the best material for this, but I didn't know for sure that it wouldn't work. So I printed it. I bolted everything together, installed the trucks, and took it to the skate park. It wasn't great, but it did better than I expected. I could stand on it, cruise around, but the real test was the half pipe. So I tried to drop in. And immediately it snapped in half.
All right, PLA skateboard.
Not a go.
I never had faith in the multi-piece design anyway. So next up was trying to print this as one single solid piece. I opened Fusion 360 and designed my own penny style board, and the goal was simple. I wanted to make it at least 21 to 22 inches minimum. No bolted sections, obviously, just one solid deck. I had recently built this Mercury 1.1 converted Ender 5 Plus. Its build plate was around 377 by 370 millimeters. Sounds pretty big, but the skateboard still wouldn't fit flat. So I rotated it to around a 45-degree angle, and that allowed me to print something much larger than 377 by 370. Even then, part of the model still had to sit slightly beyond the edge of the plate. But luckily, my printer could travel physically beyond the build surface, so I tried printing it off the edge. It looked sketchy, but it worked. The printer finished the entire board as one solid piece. So I removed the supports, cleaned it up, and tried a little kickflip. And it snapped in half. It was about time to stop making skateboards out of weak-ass PLA. So for the 3rd attempt, I switched to ASA. ASA is tougher, it's more impact resistant than PLA, plus I like the way it prints. When I designed the board, I didn't think about hardware, and well, the standard skateboard hardware wasn't long enough, so I had to improvise. This time I wanted to get to the skate park, so I skipped the kickflip in the studio and just headed straight there. And I gotta say, this board felt solid right away. I felt confident riding it around, but the real test was the half pipe. And it survived the first drop-in. I rode it around the park, dropped in multiple times, and it held together. There were no signs of cracking, which is surprising because the 45-degree print orientation, isn't ideal. I kept testing until I ate shit on the half pipe. And let me tell you, that still hurts today. But when I checked the skateboard, it was fine. And that was the answer I'd been looking for. Now, this deck is obviously just a cruiser. I wouldn't recommend, dropping in or doing flip tricks, but it totally could. And at this point, the experiment was technically over. ASA worked. But I was curious whether PETG could do the same thing. PETG is easier for most people to print and usually less brittle than PLA. So I used the same 45-degree angle method, but this time, instead of printing part of the board off the edge, I physically shifted the build plate over. The only catch was I had to make sure my Z-tilt and bed mesh routines were still probing on the shifted plate instead of the magnet underneath. It finished, I installed the trucks, took it to the skate park, and at first it felt pretty solid. It survived riding around, it made it through several drop-ins. For a minute, I thought PETG might work. But after continuing to skate the half pipe, it eventually snapped. It did better than PLA, but it still couldn't take the same abuses as ASA. So, can you actually 3D print a functional skateboard? Yeah. And the deck itself only used around $15 to $20 worth of filament. I'm not saying it's better than buying a normal wooden skateboard. It took a long time to print, required a large format machine, and barely even fit after I angled the model and shifted the build plate. But I wanted to know if it could be done, and well, it worked.